So what are some of the things that are required to be a successful trader? As you know, trading is very difficult. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. But trading is very difficult. So it's very much, you need in-depth technical knowledge. You need to be able to read, typically, you need to be able to read charts and patterns fast. Test and develop your strategy. You need the confidence and ability to take control of your emotions, right? Our emotions get in the way of trading. We all know this is one of the biggest stumbling blocks. So to become a successful trader requires, you need to be able to read and analyze the chart, spot hundreds of patterns and trends, and then execute based on the input of all that data. This takes years to develop.